Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing a single, consistent table so Excel can do the heavy lifting. First, import your bank CSV or paste transactions into a sheet. Once done, convert the range to a table with Control+T and name it expenses. You do this because tables allow structured formulas and easier filtering. Next, confirm essential columns: date, category, amount, vendor, payment method, and format amount as currency. Make sure dates parse correctly. Incorrect dates will break summaries. Once the table is ready, focus on consistent categorization to produce meaningful reports. Create a category list on a separate sheet and apply data validation dropdowns to the category column so entries stay uniform. Then add helper columns for month and year with equals text date, YIMM, and a clean amount that turns credits to positive or negative as needed. Use XLOOKUP or VLOOKUP to map vendors to default categories, and implement SUMIFs to build dynamic totals. This saves time and prevents manual errors when you... To finish, assemble a dashboard that answers the questions you need. How much per category, month, or vendor? Insert a pivot table from the expenses table for quick breakdowns, add slicers for interactive filtering, and use conditional formatting to highlight large or unusual amounts. Make sure to refresh the pivot table when you update the table. If numbers don't match, check common issues: inconsistent date formats, trailing spaces in categories, or duplicate rows. Use trim, value, and remove duplicates to fix them quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.